dog cooling coat is a superior solution for keeping your pup cool in comparison to other methods. While fans and open windows may provide some relief, they do not directly target the dog's body and may not effectively cool down your furry friend. On the other hand, the dog cooling coat uses the principles of evaporative cooling to actively bring down your pup's body temperature. The super absorbent material retains water and releases it slowly, creating a cooling effect on the dog's skin. This targeted cooling helps your pup regulate its body temperature, keeping it comfortable and safe even during the hottest days and nights. These luxury cooling vests are true heatwave heroes to survive the summer. A portable air conditioning unit specially designed for your four-legged companion. Temperatures are in mid to high 30s and the cooling coat is amazing. It keeps our dog cool without re-wetting for about 7 hours. I love the fact that it covers her chest and abdomen. Money very well spent to have a happy, relaxed dog. I totally recommend this cooling coat.